Hello guys, it has been so long. How are you guys? How are you doing? How have you been? So welcome to our YouTube channel. As you always know, I'm Karin from Cariz Beauty and Cosmetics, and today we are going to have another person in our YouTube, but then it will be a surprise for you guys. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, leave your comment. It's very, very important. And without wasting your time, let's go and see the person. guys, if you are still there, the challenge was transforming me into her and her into me, any way you want it. And I think, I don't know, me myself, I think that we almost look alike, so it's you to judge. And here she comes. Ta-da! So guys, what do you think about it? Like, personally, I think that I really tried. So I would like you guys to go in the comments and put what you think about it. This is the other person I told you about, you were supposed to meet, and I will let her introduce herself to you.
Hello guys, nice to meet you. My name is Isa from Cariz Beauty and she's Cariz. I'm Isa, that's the name Cariz. So me as Isa, I deal in cosmetic and she deals in beauty. So let me just introduce to you guys some of my products. Please, these are my products. This is underarm cream for those people who has underarm hair when it's black. So you use this one to whiten it. I deal with Cage products. They are very nice. They are natural. We use natural things, but let's hope next time we'll meet and discuss about it.
So if you want to meet her and be in, because she will be now making videos.
Yeah,
so,
not only one but many. So people, don't forget to share, to comment, to subscribe, guys. I really love you. Bye bye.
Very, very important. Don't forget to subscribe. Go follow us on Instagram as well. To see more of our products. But she will be coming back to talk about more of our products. So if you want to see her, if you want to meet our products, please subscribe. Yeah, that's very important. Subscribe. And hope to meet you next time. So don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Cariz Beauty and Cosmetics. We are going to put the link down the description box. So meet you next time.
Meet us.
God bless you. Bye. We look alike.
I think we do.
What do you think? What do you think?
So please.